Hello everyone, this is Kayla Davis with the ODU ePortfolio Studio, and in this video I will be showing you how to embed a PDF onto your Wix site. So embedding a PDF looks like this right here. You can either size it up or size it down depending on your design preferences. And depending on which format you use, people can either click through it. So I will show you that in preview mode. They can click through it, or if you have black bars across the top, they can get options to print out the PDF, open it in another tab in browser. So I will be running you through that process today. So let's go ahead and go into our editor, and I'm just going to make a blank page to show you guys how to add a PDF onto your page. So here we have a blank page, and I can go to the add button, add some text, and I'm just going to put it as PDF practice. Let's just drag it across here. Okay. And the PDF embedder application is kind of large, so I usually like to click on any blank space on my ePortfolio and then search for this icon that pops up that says adjust page height. And I drag this down quite a bit just to give myself some room to resize the PDF embedder app once I place it onto the page. And now that I have my blank space, I can go to the Add Apps button here. This opens the Wix app market. Underneath Search Apps, we're going to type in PDF, and then we can click Enter to search for that. And now what you're going to see is the PDF Viewer by Wix. Let's go ahead and click on, for me it says Open, but for you it might say Add. Either way, let's just go ahead and click on that there. And now we can drag this anywhere on our page. As you can see, we have these little dots here, so we could make it larger, make it smaller to our liking, make it however you see fit. So now that we have the PDF Viewer app on our ePortfolio, we can double click anywhere within this application, and then we can go ahead and upload a PDF. So we click on Upload PDF. Okay, and then after that, we can click on Upload Media and then Upload from Computer, and it will open up your Finder or your File Explorer so that you can pick a document. I'm just going to go ahead and use one of the documents that I already have put on my ePortfolio elsewhere, but it's the same process. Once a document is selected, you'll click on Add to Page. And then this is what you will see. All right, so if we go into preview, we can now see what visitors of our site see, and we can go ahead and scroll through the document. So if you have documents that are multiple pages long, this PDF Viewer app is wonderful for that, because you can have a PDF that is as many pages as you need to display. So if you need help converting a Microsoft Word document over to a PDF document, we have a tutorial of that over on our website in the tutorials section. So you can just view that so that you can follow along with this video here. Now, if I go back to my editor, I'm going to just show you one more thing. If I click on anywhere within the PDF Viewer app, I'm just going to go into Settings. All right, so as you can see right now, we have the black bars going across the top, which is a wonderful, wonderful option because it allows for people to print it out, download it, open it up in a new tab if they need to. They can see what page they're on. It just provides lots of options for making the PDF bigger, smaller, whatever people might need. But if for whatever reason this just doesn't match the aesthetic of your ePortfolio and you want to change it, you can go to display right here. And then you have different options for how your PDF is displayed. So you can go to mini viewer, which allows people to click through to the different pages, or you can do one page, which just shows like one page of the PDF. If you do end up using the mini viewer or the one page, we highly recommend that you incorporate a button to kind of allow people to open up the PDF in a different tab in their browser. If you have the full viewer, people can do that straight from the PDF right here. But if you have the mini viewer or one page, they can't do that. So you want to make sure that you have a button to allow for people to click to open the full PDF in a new tab in browser. So if I were just to go to the link right here, I can do document, choose file. I'm just going to go ahead and select the same file, of course. Add page. Okay, and now that's linked. So if I click on done and preview, we can see if I click on button right here, it will open up this same page or PDF in a different page in my browser. So we highly recommend that if you're not going to use a full page viewer, this is what you do. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you guys need any more tips and tricks for how to improve your ePortfolio, please feel free to visit our ODU Tutorials EP page. We're constantly updating these tutorials for you, so make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.